everyone. We're so glad you could join us today. I'm Erica.
And I'm Marco. We're here to help you learn English through natural, simple conversations. If you enjoy learning with us, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That really supports us. Thank you so much.
Today, we're going to talk about something uplifting and fun.
Yes, we'll learn how to share your successes in English, like saying, I did it, or I passed my test.
First, a short warm-up conversation, then a longer story where Marco tries to bake a cake, but some funny things happen.
After that, we'll show you simple phrases you can use every day for success at school, at work, and at home.
Finally, we'll review key words together. Ready? Let's begin. Marco, you look very cheerful today.
I am. I had a little victory this morning.
Oh? Tell me about it.
You know how I often burn my toast?
Oh, yes. Even the smoke alarm knows that.
Not today. Today was different.
What happened?
I made perfect toast. Golden brown, crispy, delicious.
That's fantastic. You should be proud.
Thanks. It was a great start to my day. What about you? Any small success?
Yes, I finally finished the book I'd been reading. The last chapter was really long, but I made it.
Congratulations.
Thank you. So we both have something to celebrate.
Even small wins matter. That's a perfect way to begin our topic.
Absolutely. And now tell me about your big weekend plan.
I wanted to bake a cake.
A cake? How exciting!
Not just any cake, my grandmother's chocolate cake from her handwritten recipe book.
Oh, that's so special.
I wanted to surprise my mom. She always says her mother's cake was the best.
A lovely idea, but a little nerve-wracking too.
I know. Last time I baked, we had to open every window.
I remember that, but you said this time was different?
I was prepared. First, I read the recipe 3 times.
Smart.
Saturday morning, I bought all the ingredients.
Okay, so Saturday afternoon you started baking.
I put on my apron like a real pastry chef.
Nice.
I measured the flour carefully. The recipe said, sift the flour.
And did you sift it?
Yes, it looked like soft snow.
I'm impressed.
Then I mixed the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. My arms started aching.
That's hard work.
But hard work is part of success, right?
True.
I added the eggs one by one, then the dry ingredients and milk.
How did the batter look?
Perfect. Smooth and shiny, just like the recipe showed.
You sound like a TV chef.
I felt like one. I poured the batter into the pan and set the timer.
Then came the waiting.
The hardest part, but the smell was amazing. Chocolate everywhere.
I can imagine. Then the timer rang?
Yes, I looked through the oven window. It looked good, but I had to be sure.
Of course, the skewer test.
Exactly. Put a thin stick in the middle. If it comes out clean, the cake is ready.
Oh, the suspense.
It came out clean. I was so happy.
Great.
I let it cool for 2 whole hours. Patience isn't my strongest skill, but I waited.
I know. Patience is hard for you.
Then I made the frosting, chocolate buttercream, another recipe from Grandma's book.
2 recipes in one day? Big job.
It was. I spread the frosting over the cake.
Did it look perfectly smooth like the photo?
Not perfectly smooth like the photo, but honest and homemade.
Homemade is the best.
I think so too. So the cake was finished. First success.
But the real test was the taste.
Right. I cut a small piece, very nervous.
And?
It was delicious. Truly good. Tasted like my childhood. I almost cried. I did it.
That's a real achievement.
Thank you. All that careful work paid off.
So you took it to your mom on Sunday?
Yes, I drove very carefully with the cake.
I can picture that.
When I gave it to her, she was surprised. She said, "You made this from my mother's book?"
And you said?
Yes, I wanted to try. Then she took a bite.
And?
She was quiet for a moment. Scary. Then she smiled. Her eyes got a little wet. She said, "Erica, this is perfect. It tastes exactly as I remember. You have real talent."
That's the best compliment ever.
I felt amazing, not just for the cake, but for making my mom happy and remembering my grandmother. It was more than I hoped for.
That's what real success can be. How it makes you and others feel.
Exactly. Now your turn. You said you had a success at work last week.
Yes, not as tasty as cake, but important to me.
The meeting with the new boss?
Yes, I was asked to lead the team meeting, the Monday meeting, with the new boss watching.
Were you nervous?
Very. Speaking to my team is fine, but with the new boss there, my English gets shaky.
But your English is good.
Thanks, but when I'm nervous, I forget simple words. Last month, I forgot the word deadline. I said, the day when things must finish.
Oh no, but that's still clear. I understand the feeling.
So I prepared carefully. I wrote down all the main points, not just notes.
That takes time.
Then I practiced out loud, in front of the mirror, and I recorded myself on my phone.
Sounds strange, but helpful.
It was strange to hear my own voice, but it helped a lot. I practiced difficult words, like quarterly targets and performance review, again and again. My cat knows them now.
Poor cat. So Monday morning arrived.
My heart was pounding. I looked at my notes, took a deep breath, and started speaking, slowly with a smile.
Good.
I covered all the main points, asked my team for ideas, and finished on time.
How did you feel afterward?
Relieved, of course. Then my manager, Sarah, stayed after the meeting.
What did she say?
Marco, that was an excellent meeting. Very clear and well organized. Thank you for leading it so well.
That's wonderful feedback. You really succeeded.
Yes, I did. All that practice paid off. I felt more confident for next time.
Let's compare our stories. We both had a goal. You the cake, me the meeting. We prepared carefully. We were nervous, but tried anyway. In the end, we achieved our goals and got kind compliments.
Goal, preparation, effort, success. A nice pattern.
And it's fine to talk about success. Sharing good news feels positive.
What phrases did we use? I did it. I'm so proud of myself. All that hard work paid off. I felt a real sense of accomplishment. I managed to do it. I achieved my goal. I got excellent feedback. It was a real achievement.
And what do people say to us? Congratulations. Well done. I'm proud of you. Good job. Simple, but powerful.
Erica, success doesn't have to be big. Remember last month when you fixed the wobbly table?
Oh yes, I was determined. I will fix this today. And I did. It took an hour and I hit my thumb, but the table doesn't wobble anymore.
Small success, but great. We should celebrate these more.
Maybe a success of the week chat every Sunday.
I love that. Practice English and feel good.
So to everyone watching, think of one small success this week. Ordering coffee in English, understanding a movie without subtitles, learning a new word from this video. All successes.
Celebrate them. Say it out loud using our phrases. This week I succeeded in, or I'm happy because I managed to. We'd love to read your stories in the comments.
Now let's move to everyday examples. At school, at work, at home.
Good idea. Marco, you be the student. I'll be your friend.
Okay. Hey, Erica, how was school? I have good news. I finally passed my math test.
No way. Congratulations. You were so worried.
I studied every night. All that studying paid off.
You must feel relieved.
I do. It feels like a weight lifted.
Now switch. I'm the worker. You are my coworker.
Good morning, Erica. How's the Anderson report?
Done. I finished it last night and sent it to the client.
Already? Did they reply?
Yes, they said it's perfect.
That's excellent. You worked so hard.
Thanks. It feels great to have it finished and approved.
Erica. Personal goal. Fitness. We're at the park.
Hi, Erica. Running again?
Yes, I just ran 5 kilometers without stopping.
Seriously? That's amazing.
Thanks. My legs are tired, but I'm proud. I trained for 2 months.
You stayed focused. You should treat yourself.
I think I'll get a smoothie. Hobby. Gardening.
Oh, your plant has new leaves. I thought you were worried about it.
I was, but I took good care of it.
You did a great job.
It's a small thing, but it makes me smile.
And look, my orchid is blooming again. No flowers for 2 years.
Wow, how did you do it?
I read online. More light, less water. I changed my routine and it worked.
You didn't kill it, you made it happy. Well done, plant doctor. Very small success. Language.
I understood almost everything in a TV show yesterday, without subtitles.
That's wonderful. Your listening is getting so much better.
I only had to look up 2 words. I feel like I'm making real progress.
Creative success. Guitar.
Listen, I learned the whole chorus of that song with the difficult F chord.
That's the hardest chord. Play it for me. That sounds great. You played it perfectly.
Thanks. My fingers hurt, but I practiced an hour every day this week. All that practice paid off.
Sometimes people are shy about success. Let's practice responding.
I heard you helped Miss Clark with her computer yesterday. Oh, it was nothing. Anyone could do it.
That's not true. She was very stressed and you fixed it quickly. That was kind and smart. You should be proud.
Thank you. I'm glad I could help.
Teamwork success.
Guess what? Erica and I finally cleaned and organized the community center storage room. It took all Saturday, but now everyone can find the sports equipment. The director was really happy.
That was a big job, but you managed to do it together. High five. Did you notice the pattern? Say what you did, how you did it, and how you feel. Then respond positively.
Now let's act out different places. Office, family video call, cafe, English club.
Erica, scene 1, office kitchen.
Morning, Erica. You're early.
Yes, I wanted to get a head start. I just finished the quarterly newsletter, the whole design.
That's a huge project. It's not due until next week.
I know, but I managed to finish early. I stayed late a few nights, and now it's done. I sent it to the marketing team for review.
Getting ahead of a deadline feels great. How did you do it?
I made a new template. Everything became much clearer.
You should tell Sarah about it. Taking initiative is important.
Thanks. I feel calmer for the rest of the week. Erica, scene 2, video call with parents.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Hi, dear. How are you?
Really well. Remember I was worried about my presentation course? I got my final grade, an A.
An A? That's wonderful. We're so proud of you.
Thanks. The final project was a 15-minute presentation by myself. I practiced many times in front of the mirror, and all that hard work paid off. I feel more confident now.
You should celebrate. Maybe a nice dinner.
Great idea. Thanks for listening. Erica, scene 3, cafe brunch with friends. What's new, everyone? I finally passed my driving test. No way! Congratulations! That was your 4th try, right? Yes, but passing is what counts. When the examiner told me, I couldn't believe it. Then I felt so happy, like freedom. We're so happy for you. Let's go for a drive, slowly. Okay, but let me get used to it first. I was starting to think I'd never pass, but I kept trying. You didn't give up. Cheers to that. Erica, scene 4, after English Conversation Club. That was a good session. I really enjoyed the debate about movies. Me too, and I noticed you spoke much more than usual. I tried. I had a small personal goal, to say 3 new sentences using words from last week: approximately, disappointing, and predictable. I heard you use them perfectly. That's a smart way to practice. Not being perfect, just using the words. It felt less scary. Small, clear goals lead to big success over time. I'll write those sentences in my notebook to see my progress. So the main idea is the same everywhere. Share your good news, say how you did it, and accept congratulations. But the tone changes. At work, more formal, I managed to finish the project early. With family, more emotional, we're so proud of you. With friends, relaxed and fun. In a learning setting, focus on small goals. The most important thing is to share your success. It helps you remember the good feeling and encourages others. Try it this week. Use the phrases we practiced.
Now, let's review key words.
Achievement. Something good you did with effort. Learning to ride a bike was an achievement.
To succeed. To reach your goal. I succeeded in baking the cake. Past tense, succeeded. Opposite, to fail. And that's okay. Try again.
Success, the good result. The party was a success.
To manage to do something difficult. I managed to find my keys after searching for an hour.
Goal, your aim. My goal is to speak English fluently.
Hard work, strong effort. It was hard work, but worth it.
To pay off, when effort gives a good result. All my studying paid off.
Proud, the happy feeling about an achievement. I'm proud of myself.
Congratulations for big successes. Well done for a job done well.
Progress, moving forward, getting better. I'm making progress every day.
Try to use one or two of these words this week. When you have a small success, say to yourself, well done, or I managed to do it, or I'm making progress. It's great English practice and builds confidence.
Today, we learned how to talk about successes in English, big and small. First, say what you did, then how you did it, then how you feel. And when someone shares good news, respond warmly.
Your successes matter. Talking about them in English creates positive conversations.
Now, for our question of the day, what is one thing you succeeded in this week? It can be anything. Waking up early, trying a new recipe, speaking English for 1 minute without stopping.
Please write in the comments, my success this week was, and tell your story. Let's fill the comments with positive stories to encourage each other.
Erica, if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Talkada and click the bell so you don't miss our next real-life conversation. We make new videos every week.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us. Learning a language is a journey. Every small success is worth celebrating.
You're doing great. Keep practicing, keep trying, and remember to be proud of yourself.
Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time. And remember, every little success is a big step forward.